Okay, in this video we'll learn the basic structure of FinFET, second FET, different types of FETs, NanoFET, nanotube, what is nanosheet. Okay, just we'll see what is the basics. So the FinFET has uh, three terminals. Generally we know that FET has three terminals, that is the drain, gate and source. But here the gates are in the form of pins, and these pins are in part 2, that is front gate and back, which forms the gate, which is called the front gate and the back gate. Okay, so this is basic structure. So we know that FET has generally the bulk on which a insulator is formed, and on this top of this the FET is formed. Okay, so this is your source terminal, this is your drain terminal. Generally gate is like this. Okay, it is, but now you see there are fins here. Okay, so this one, two, total three fins. These are called the fins. On this, which is called the height of the fin. This much, how much height? H fin. Then the distance between the two fins is called pitch, which is represented as P phi n. Okay, so this is the basic. So here we have two gates. This is a gate. So you see this, because it is two dimensional, it is a back gate, this is your gate, and this is your front gate. So we have back gate and front gate, different fins. Okay, next same thing is shown here, top view. So this is your source, this is your drain, these are your fins. Okay, so here you have your back gate and this is your front gate. So this is your front gate, this is your back gate. This is the LG 7 nanometer gate length. So this one. Okay, so this is the basic structure of fins. So these fins are two types. Okay, shorted gate and independent gate. Okay, shorted gates are also are three terminals generally. Insulated, isolated individual gates you can take the four terminal. That means this one. These gates all you can short. If you short and use, then it is called a single gate which has three terminals. But if you operate individually, this it is called independent. So if you compare different types of FinFETs, you see, first this is normal planar FET. We know that this is the normal, this is your gate, this is door in between like this. But here you see this is your FinFET, where here the channel, your height is taken. This is only the one dimension. Now this become two dimensional. Okay, so this is the height. Earlier there was no the height in this. Okay, now you see here, this is nano wire which is called GAA, that is gate all around. Okay, gate all around FET. You see there are many gates, 1, 2, 3, which are formed like this. These are called nano wires. Okay, with multiple gates. Similarly, same like this, but this is only wire. No, here they have taken sheet. Each sheet will act like one gate. Okay, so this. So these are all become three-dimensional devices now. Okay, so this is called the nano sheet, this is nano wire, and this is normal FET, and this is your normal planar FET. So these are the new devices which have come, which is these are used in the manufacturing process for the chip design. Okay, let us see. And this is your carbon nanotubes. the carbon nanotubes like this. This is source, drain, gate, and here tubes are there. Okay, nanotubes. So this is also one more structure in this under the different types. Okay, so this is all about FETs, FinFETs. Okay, multiplates. Then so these are the latest device models in chip manufacturing: FinFETs, CNT FETs, nanotube, and nanotube. So using this you can build your circuits using this FETs. So these are working under very less nanometer, that is 7 nanometer technology. We are able to design this. Okay, nano device. So basic circuits, that is your inverter, NAND, NOR, are built using this FinFET and CNT FETs. Okay, that's all in this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share, comment, and thank you for watching.